Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both hardware and accounts so the system works reliably. Plug the tracker in and charge to full. Activate its SIM or Wi-Fi. Then, open the Family Locator app and create your account with a verified phone number. This authenticates tracking. Once done, add the tracker using the QR code or device ID, name it clearly, and assign permission levels to each family member so location sharing behaves as you intend. Next, configure how the tracker reports and notifies you so it matches your needs and battery goals. In the app, choose a location interval. Shorter intervals give fresher positions but drain power, so balance accuracy versus battery life. Then create geofences for critical places like home and school, set radii in meters, and turn on arrival and departure alerts. Also enable low battery and SOS notifications, and select map accuracy, high for precise updates or battery saving if you need longer runtime. For everyday reliability, make quick checks each morning and understand final recovery steps if something goes wrong. You should test live view and review location history to ensure positions are accurate and timestamps make sense. Keep a charging routine and apply firmware or SIM updates when your app notifies you. If a tracker stops reporting, first toggle airplane mode or power cycle it. Next, repair the device in the app. If that fails, move it outdoors for a GPS fix. This usually restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.